You've done sold out cafe shows and now a major concert. Where do you
Yeah,
feel?
this is major, yeah.
Where do you feel like most at home? Small, intimate gigs or a bigger stage like UP, whatchamacallit?
Definitely small spaces.
yeah.
It's um maybe because I like talking to people when performing.
Yeah.
Um naririnig ko I can hear the silence. Yung ganong ano. And then I can see their faces. I want to see them cry. I want to see them smile or sleep.
Yes,
Yeah.
or sleep,
Oh, yeah. So, bigger venues sometimes it's yun na yun. Just rock out minsan eh. Ganun yung ano eh. But my music kasi it's yun nga for smaller, for very very intimate shows. That's why for this show actually it's a bigger venue, Metropolitan Theater, but it's still gonna be a very intimate show. They're seated, and then I have an orchestra with me, so it's still a very intimate show. Hindi siya yung parang porque malaking venue para siyang magiging rah, alam mo yun.
You know
No
what?
fanfare, no lights na crazy. Mga ganun.
Pyrotechnics, mga
pyrotechnics,
ganon,
yeah, that's
oo.
right. Or,
I mean, yeah, sure, if you want that, go. But in the case of John, wala. So basically, guys, you gotta be there to actually understand what he's talking about, to really do see it. But yeah. Hey, thanks for watching.
For more exclusive videos and
Artist interviews, you can check out our videos by clicking here. And don't forget to follow us
on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.